Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first race. It's between Mr. the King and
Lightning McQueen.
And they're challenging each other for the championship of the world.
1, 2, 3, go!
And they're off. Mr. the King is in the lead. Lightning McQueen is very close. He's making it. Mr. King pops a wheel. He's getting cocky. Oh, he gets a little squirrely. Uh-oh. Here comes McQueen. He's inching up. McQueen takes the lead. He takes the lead. Oh, the King takes the lead back. This is a great race. It's the band neck and neck. Mr. the King takes the lead. He's going fast. He's going real fast. Oh, he hit something in the road. He's out of control. He's flying through the air. Mr. the Queen, what's going to happen? He's on his roof. Oh! McQueen zips past him for the win. Can you believe it? Who would have thought that this would have happened?
Lightning McQueen for the win. Lightning, what happened out there?
Well, I just, put the pedal to the metal. I went nuts, and it all worked out.
Mr. the King, what happened out there?
I don't know. I think there was a cat in the road. I hit a cat. It flipped me up. I went on my roof. Next thing I know, Lightning McQueen won. I'm not happy at all.
What are you going to do next time?
I'm not going to hit a cat. I can tell you that much.